Tired of hefty international transaction fees in Dubai? This video will guide you through opening a Revolut account, a game changer for managing your finances in Dubai, in under 90 seconds. First, eligibility. You typically need to be a legal resident of the UAE or have a valid visa. Next, gather your documents. You'll need your Emirates ID or passport and visa. Having proof of address, like a utility bill, might also be helpful. Now, download the Revolut app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It's free. Open the app and tap Sign Up. Enter your phone number and create a secure password. The app will then guide you through entering your personal details, like your name, date of birth, and address. Get ready to verify your identity. Revolut usually requires you to take a selfie and upload a photo of your Emirates ID or passport. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Choose your account plan. Revolut offers different tiers, each with varying features and fees. Select the one that best suits your needs. The standard account is usually a great starting point. Add funds to your new Revolut account. You can typically do this through a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card. Follow the prompts within the app. Once your account is funded and verified, you're good to go. Enjoy the benefits of fee-free international transfers, multi-currency accounts, and budgeting tools, perfect for managing your money in Dubai. Start using Revolut for all your financial transactions, both locally and internationally. Say goodbye to excessive bank charges and hello to seamless money management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more finance tips in Dubai. Share this video with anyone who needs a better way to handle their money.